Welcome to the Times Table Mastery Challenge. I am going to be helping you master your times table without stress, step by step. So the stage 1, 0 is the hero. Why do we say 0 is the hero when it comes to times or multiplication? Anytime 0 multiplies a number, it swallows it up, and then the number becomes 0. Any number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. 0 is the hero. Do you know why? Because 0 means nothing. So 0 times 1 means count 0 in no place. We are counting nothing anyway. So 0 times 1 gives us 0 times 1 gives us 0. And you know one thing in multiplication. Multiplication goes both ways. 0 times 1 is the same as 1 times 0. Right? So 1 times 0 gives us 0. Now we have 0 times 2. 0. 2 times 0. 0. 0 times 7. 0. 0 times 12. 0. No matter how big the number is, anytime 0 multiplies a number, the number becomes 0. So you don't have to think about it. Now your turn. Let's see these numbers. Did you say 0 to all of them? Amazing. Congratulations. Now you know that 0 is the hero, and anytime you multiply a number, the number becomes 0. I'll see you tomorrow for the next stage. Bye-bye.